Hello, today I want to show you Instance Mesh Manager version 1.1. To enable this plugin, open Plugins tab, search for Instance Mesh Manager, enable it and restart the editor. After the restart, you can select static mesh actors on the level, right-click on them, and you'll see a few new options. First option, merge several static meshes into one instance. You can select several mesh actors. One important note that should have the same static mesh and default material. We select them, right-click, and select Merge Meshes into Instance Static Mesh. And now we have both of these meshes merged into one actor. Now, when we have merged instance, we can break it back to separate static mesh actors. We need to right-click, select Break Instance Meshes into Static Meshes, and select it. Now we have both of these actors back as static mesh actors. Now to the improvements. The first improvement is for adding static meshes to existing instances. For example, we have these separate static mesh actors and this instance mesh with the same actor. We can right-click on it, and now we have option to select to which merged instance we can add this static mesh. For example, I will create a few more instances, merge them, and rename, for example, 2. Now, when I select it, I can select option for which one I want to add. I will select the second one, and now it is a single static mesh instance actor. Another very useful option is option to add selected actors to existing instances. For example, we have this instance with cliff number 4 and this instance with cliff number 5, and we selected several different meshes. We can right-click, try add selected actors to instances, and they will be automatically added to the first existing instance without needing to select them separately and search for existing instances. If there are no instances for this mesh, for example, as for this one, it will be not edited. That's all for updates for the new version. Thank you for watching.